so I'm going to be reviewing this LEGO light kit right here. So it's not by LEGO themselves, it's by this other company called Lightailing or Lightailing. I'm not sure how to say it, I just call it Lightailing. This one is for the NASA Apollo Saturn V LEGO set. So you might be able to see it, I don't know, but I'll show you the box closer up in a second. But if you want to purchase one of these light kits, I'll have a card up here in the corner somewhere, and then also down below in the description. So yeah, let's open this up, see what's inside, and then I'll show you like what it looks like on the set. Okay, so this is the box right here, which one show it. So Lightailing or Lightailing, and then you can see the set right there with the lights on it. Just tells you stuff. LED light kit, battery box, and installation guide. Right there, it tells you everything in it, and then on the back it just tells you the site and stuff. So yeah, that's like pretty much the box right there. You can see everything. But yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so to open this up, there's just one piece of tape down here. So I'll cut that tape and close my knife for safety. Okay. Open this up, and right here on the top is the instructions. It was kind of stuck to the roof of it, if you didn't see. So the instructions right here, and then if you look at this stuff, this is like all the electronics and stuff. So right here is the studs that light up, right there, connected through USB. And then this is the battery box. I didn't know it came with a battery box until just barely. I didn't think it came with one, but apparently it does. So this is nice that it comes with this, so you can like put it inside the set and light them up. But yeah, so it comes with the battery box, the stud pieces, and the instructions. Open this stuff up. Me and my brother Weston are having like a competition or whatever on this. I think that this thing takes AAAs. My brother thinks it takes AAs. So I don't know who's gonna be right. But this thing opens up. I think it's just like I think it's a Ziploc. Maybe, I don't even know. But it's got like this zipper thing, and I think I have to cut it first. So I don't know how to open it. So like that, maybe. Hopefully, yeah, I got it. Got some of it at least. Okay. And then, alright, okay, there we go. And is it AAA or AA? It looks like AAA. I hope I'm right. It is AA, I think. I'm wrong. Okay, it's a AA battery box. My brother got it right. So I thought it was AAA. Apparently it's AA. So let's open up the other lights real quick. Don't want to cut myself. Okay. I need like scissors for this. It'd be so much nicer. But I'm just using my knife for now. Okay. I gotta separate these. It's just like a Ziploc bag. Okay. Right there. So these are resealable. Kind of weird. So right here, there's just a ton of studs with the super small wires. The cool thing I saw about these, like just barely, well, yeah, they're like really cool because they're made from actual Lego studs. I don't know if you can see the Lego logos on there or not, but these all have Lego logos on them, which means they're all from Lego. They just modded them to have lights going on, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so these are the lights. Now we'll go into the instructions. Open these up. These are the easiest ones to open. So, wait, maybe not. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, there's more? So there is, oh, this tells you how to line them up and stuff. So you don't do a straight line, you do it like around the studs. Yeah, this tells you how to like put them in and stuff. Service card is customer service, and then these should be instructions. Like I don't want to see how these do it. So it's like over here. Like take the boosters off and stuff. Put like the studs underneath like them, like there. Okay. So yeah, those are the instructions. They don't look like Lego instructions. They're like pictures. But yeah. So let me put these in the set. First, I'm going to test to see to make sure the lights work. They probably do. I just want to check. So AAs, not AAAs. I was wrong. My brother was right. So put those in the battery box and make it in. Okay. So then we go like that. Oh, wait, it snaps in like that. So it just seals up, then you can put this in your build, well, in the set or like wherever you want pretty much. And then it's got a USB poking out, which you plug this into, like that. And then if I turn this on, it should all light up, yep. Like that, all light up, okay. So it works. So now let me put it in the set. Okay guys, so I got the light kit in. I turned off like all the lights, so it should be pretty dark right now. But the lights shine really bright, so you can see there's one on this one, 5, and then also 5, so there's like 11 lights in total. But they shine like really bright. I don't even know if you can see, but on my hand it like shines up pretty bright. I was wondering if the studs are like, the lights that shine through them are just normal, like just white, or if they're actually colored. But they're orange either way, so I don't know if that is or not. But there's not really a place for the battery box to go either. It's right here. And there's like nowhere for it to go in the set, so unless you like modified the set or something, there's no way for that to go. Also, the only way to like display it is pretty much like this. It looks really cool. It makes it look like the set's like actually taking off or whatever. Yeah, it looks really cool. You can see the wires running from everything kind of right here, and then it runs underneath this one down there, and yeah, you can kind of see it all. But yeah, this is what the light kit looks like. Also, the Lightailing YouTube channel, I'll link that down below. They have what the videos of what these look like and stuff, of what the sets look like. So make sure to check that YouTube channel out as well. Okay guys, so these are all the leftover pieces. It's like 5 studs and then a flat like tile. So those are all the leftover pieces from replacing them with the lights. And also, if you can see down here, you see all these are like a darker orange, and these are like a lighter orange. Because these have like 2 layers of orange on them, kind of. Yeah, they have another layer, which are these like panel pieces over it. So the bottom is a little bit darker than the top ones. The wires over here you can really see in, and when I showed you them a second ago, but they're really small. Like if I compare them to like a stud over here, look, that's a stud the size of the wire. It's a super small wire. So those are really easy to stick in builds and stuff, so it's pretty nice. So you can see those running, and then the battery box is connected to it back there. And those wires just run through the stuff. They also have like custom light kits, so you can like put them in your own custom builds if you want, which is really nice. So yeah, you can just light up your own builds with this type of stuff. And the really nice thing about them is that they're actual Lego bricks, so they can just attach to like any Lego set that you have, and it's really just really nice. Yeah. So yeah, these are what these look like. You can see all the lights there. Yeah. On their website, they have like a ton of different light kits. If you have like a decent sized Lego collection, one of your sets probably has a light kit on there, so if you want to get one for it. And if you can't find one for one of your sets, you can get like the custom ones that they have for mocks and stuff, which you could just like light up whatever you want with those. But yeah, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.